Stop guessing on why the Body Temp option is missing from your Pixel Thermometer app. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials for this missing feature are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to just wait for an update or restart your phone, but that is a one-way ticket to seeing only the object temperature screen for the rest of the year. Before we fix the app, you need to understand the logic, or you will just get stuck again. I am here to walk you hand in hand through the regional and permission reset, so you cannot fail. You are watching Rexish, the only authority you need for Pixel 10 Pro and medical sensor fixes. The Body Temp option disappears because the app's health certification is tied to your active SIM card's region and your Google Play System version. To fix this, you must first go to Settings, tap on Apps, and find the Thermometer app. Clear both the cache and the storage immediately to force a fresh regulatory check. Here is the secret trick other creators miss. The Pixel 10 Pro requires the Android System Intelligence app to be fully updated for the LDF sensor to communicate with the thermometer's health module. If your system intelligence is out of date, the Body Temp card will stay hidden to prevent inaccurate readings. Rexish has verified that after updating the app in the Play Store, you must also ensure your phone's language is set to English US or supported European language, as a mismatch here will trigger a silent regional block. Once you reopen the app and grant the new camera and sensor permissions, the body temperature card will reappear instantly. Follow these steps and your health tracking will be back at 100%. Comment below if you want a guide on how to calibrate the Pixel 10 sensor for better accuracy.